Hello and welcome to day 32. Woo! Yes, we're walking our 10,000 steps a day walking challenge. Hey guys, feeling good today. The sun is shining behind me. I hope you guys are feeling good today. I know I am. Hey, I want you guys to stay motivated for this walking challenge. And we're also trying to eat healthy. Yes, we're doing Alkaline Vegan, following Dr. Sebi's nutritional guide. I hope you guys get a chance to look at the list and see all those healthy fruits, vegetables, and foods that you can incorporate into your diet that will be healthy superfoods for you. Hey, that's what we're doing. We're on a quest for health, good health. All right, and we're exercising too. So, guys, I hope you have a great day. You know what time it is. Boom! Yes, we've hit our 10,000 steps for today, and I want to wish you great health, great wealth, and I want you to be surrounded by love. All right, you guys take care.